See, like how gold can be used as a currency in any country. If you have gold, in any country you can get your food, your accommodation, or anything you can buy, anything you want, you will be able to get in any country. Like gold is the common currency almost in all countries. There are some conscious principles, currency in the whole cosmos. If you have these principles in you, you can use that energy, that principles, that consciousness as currency in the whole cosmos, all vertical time zones. In this planet Earth are the higher time zones, vertical time zones, higher planes. You can use them as currency. Patanjali uses a beautiful word, Sarva Bhaumya Vrataha, means in all places of existence, these principles will have its value. Understand? These principles will have its value in all zones of existence. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha. First principle is non-violence. Second is absolute integrity with the nature and cosmos. Third, non-stealing. Fourth, listen. When I say non-stealing, not only not robbing others' properties, not taking away life or livelihood of natural inhabitants of planet Earth, like animals. Taking life away from them for you eating their body is stealing. No life can belong to another life. If something is empowered to run and save itself from you, you don't have right to kill them and eat. That is why animals cannot be used as food. You can't steal their organs or their body, their life for your food.